guys, Adam Fennig here with Fennig Equipment. You're tuned into the Talking Shed. Today, we're going to talk cover crop seeders. And Valmar offers two different sizes, and right now you're looking at the smaller of the two, the 4056. The 40 means it's got 40 cubic feet. This one's going to hold around 2,000 pounds, and the big box that we'll get to next holds around 3,000. But I wanted to dig in and really look at the differences and talk about this seeder. This seeder has got 16 outlets, 2 different sections, and those are controlled with an electric clutch on the back. So this side has got 8 ports, this side has got 8 ports. And if you come in here, Cody, real close and see how this meter dumps the seed into those Venturi cups is how it works. This roller spins from the bottom to the top and dumps seed when this is up into the cups, and the air from the fan comes towards us, and then it spins around in this air chamber and shoots the seed out the back. The gray roller pretty much encompasses everything you're going to do with cover crops. We do have a finer roller that can be used for low rates and really small seeds, maybe alfalfa or clover. You simply change rollers by just rolling this roller system in and out of this chamber. So basically you'll get down in there, basically you just roll it up into that chamber and you can change out the red and the gray rollers. Of course, it's important to calibrate these seeders, and you use this calibration tray. I've never done a video showing how to put the calibration tray in. So basically this little tray, it's got the 2 tabs on the back, and you just slide it in, pull it back, and now you can calibrate. With a ground drive seeder, you would crank the handle. With an ISO rate controller seeder, you would run through the calibration wizard to let the calibration run, to have the meters spit out product for you to catch. So not only are they easy to use, you can change rollers, but they allow you to calibrate them so they are extremely accurate. They're going to be as accurate as the scale that you're using to catch for calibration. So when you're done calibrating, you simply flip those up and put these screens down, and you're ready to see. So that's the 4056, and from there, let's look at the back side of this seeder real quick. So everyone always asks where the fan is. Well, they tuck the fan back here on the back side, if you can see. So this is real nice, tight and compact. And what's awesome about these seeders is they only take 1 set of hydraulic hoses. You just plug that pressure and return into the fan motor. This is a belt-driven fan, ran off of this motor, and that's what powers this unit. So here we've got the larger box. You can see it's obviously taller. It's wider as well. 60 cubic feet, it holds 3,000 pounds, give or take, depending on the density of your product. Now, when you get down here, you see some similarities. It's got 2 sections on it as well, again, controlled by electric clutches, but you can see more cups. This one is a 24 outlet. It also comes in a 32 outlet option. But again, gray rollers or red, and the metering system is all identical. You can flip it up and down to calibrate when you need to. And again, on these, if we come around and look at the back, the calibration trays are there, and your fan system sits right here. Again, pressure and return, belt driven off of that. If we want to look at the different options, come over here when we get into drive options. So right here is a gearbox for a ground drive seeder. So with this one, there's going to be a contact wheel touching the ground, and this gearbox is how you're going to set your rate. You slide this slider across this bar. It's numbered 1 through 8, and you find where you want to be and you lock it in. It's got A and B settings, and then your drive and driven sprockets. Valmar provides a really nice chart to go off of to set your target rate. Now, on all of the ISO rate controller seeders, There's obviously not a gearbox here. There would be a hydraulic motor. Let's find one of them. Right here. So look at that hydraulic motor right there. So now this one is driven with a hydraulic motor with a rate controller instead of ground drive. So with this one, as you speed up and slow down, your rate is going to change automatically based on your speed. You may have seen my ISO rate controller seeder videos that we've done in the past showing how those work. That's how a seeder like this would work. No gearbox, just be done with a hydraulic motor. So that's what we're doing today. Thanks for tuning in.